Chung Reap Sir and welcome to CAM Arki Studio. This video will describe about the Merlot Pods, by Arti Design Studio. Itsimo is a collaboration between food. Originating from Batam, the dessert shop focuses on soft serve and tart products. The design itself mirrors the fun element and careful preparation of Itsimo's product. Located in Sangu, a residential-turns-commercial neighborhood, the building is set very close to the street and has a low-rise skyline. The pedestrian area is very active with people passing by to go to the beach or even just searching for food and local stores. Mimicking the clay roof tiles and red bricks wall and paving that are used in many buildings in the neighborhood, the red color is used all over the store, a little intervention in the streetscape to break the linear path in the pedestrian road, yet a bold way to attract the pedestrians to stop for a while and enter the site. The outdoor space also serves as urban furniture where the people can pause in the middle of the busy street, feeling the sea breeze and the blue sky as they enjoy their soft serve. The bamboo plants act as a visual buffer from the street to the site, a dust buffer for the interior, and also greenery for the pedestrian. A built-in intersecting circular seating in the interior space is created as a way to create more seating in a rather small space. Each space created from these arches gives a different seating experience. There's a space where people face inwards, allowing conversation to occur, and there's also a space where people face outwards for more privacy. Using the adaptive reuse method, all the column and roof structure is not demolished. The existing column is left standing in its original position and given a gap with a new roof. The circular shape is defining the new intervention and divided the outdoor and indoor space, making it an interesting experience for both areas.